Many people would think, oh God, when to read, how to read, loads of books, lots of topics to study. Don't worry, this video would provide you the solution which you are looking for. Hello and welcome to Planet, a place to plan your success. We are going to make a monthly study planner, which can be handy to keep all due dates, event times, goals, timelines, notes, everything in one convenient place. Choose the notebook of your choice, which is convenient for you. No fancy items required. Just grab ruler, pen, some sketch pens. If you have, or you can use color pencils, whichever is convenient for you. The motto here is not decorating or drawing. We are just focusing on our studies. Let's see how this planner will help us to keep track of our studies. Even if you forget any important dates, forget to read important topics, this monthly planner will keep you track of all things. Draw a subject column according to your needs. Try to have a space for goals and a place for a quote, which would motivate you to study and function well. Even if you forgot what you were studying and how much you studied or how much you need to study to complete the subject, this one page keeps tracks of all the study information. If you are new to planner or already having a planner, just make this study planner for 1 month and see how much this is going to help you. Don't forget to comment and let me know how this is helping you to study effectively. If you plan this planner in the beginning of the school or a college, you don't need to stress about studies. Make goals every month. Try to achieve at least 70% of them. You would be finishing all your studies and you will have several months to revise and reread them. So in the monthly planner, you write down the days when you wanted to study the subjects. For example, in the first week, you wanted to do your maths. In the second week, you can mark down for your other subjects like science, geography or history or whatever. So just mark this calendar with the subjects that you wanted to study and make sure that you mark down the important dates as well. For example, you wanted to attend online classes. On that particular day, you don't have a dedicated time to study. So better you just make sure, okay, this is an important day, so you cannot study on this day. So if you couldn't study on that particular day, you should be planning it the previous day or the day after that day. So that ways, this monthly calendar is going to help you keep track of all your subjects. In the next page, you will be making 6 columns and 4 rows for 6 subjects and 4 weeks. Here you write down the subtopics of the subjects. Once you finish these topics in the particular week, try to strike it down. If you haven't, just copy it for the next week and try to make sure that you finish these topics in each and every week. So that ways you can study all the topics in the given time. In the subject section, you write down the chapters. Each and every chapter is written here. For example, in 1 month, you need to finish two chapters or 3 chapters in one subject. Write down those chapters in this space. And then in the next page, write down the subtopics. So for each and every chapter, there would be subtopics. Write down those subtopics in the week. So for example, in the first week, you need to study 1 chapter. So write down all the subtopics that are given. So writing down the subtopics would always keep you reminder of the topics. And once you study those topics, strike it down. So that ways you know that you have finished this topic. And then you can go for the next topic. If not, you can just pass it on for the next week. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Thank you.